Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and you're getting a capital L small d error code and you're wondering what is this error code and what do you need to do to get rid of it. And so if you have this error code, you might notice that there's water inside your washing machine. And the reason this is because LD stands for long drain. So basically when it's time for it to drain, it starts to drain the water, and it also starts to count the time, and it gives itself a certain amount of time to get drained. And if after that time is up and it hasn't drained properly, it will throw up this, it will abandon everything and it will give you this LD error. And so we just need to figure out, all we need to do, this is one of the easier things to fix, so you're kind of in luck. All we need to do is figure out why is our washing machine not draining. And there's going to be two main culprits for this. The number one is going to be something behind our washing machine, the drain hose. We just want to make sure everything is hunky-dory with our drain hose. So we don't want it to be pinched or bent or kinked in any ways. So like sometimes the way when you push it up against the wall or whatever, you can pinch the hose and then the water can't get through, can't drain, and you're going to get this error. Another thing that can happen is, I don't know if you can see, but my drain hose, it goes into the drain at about this height. So it's actually lower than the height of the washing machine. So the drain pump pumps water up and out, but it can only pump the water up so high. So if your drain pump, especially if you're using any kind of extension on the drain hose and it's pumping up high, you could be overworking the pump and it just can't pump water that well. So, and also you just want to make sure where that hose is going into the drain. Make sure that the air can get in there, make sure it's not too far down in the hose and stuff like that. So once you've checked everything with the drain hose, you should check and see if it's draining now. And if that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check would be the actual drain pump. And depending on your model, the drain pump will be a little bit different. It's going to be down at the bottom, and you'll have access to it in here. And what you want to do, you just want to open this up, and you'll see like the little turbines that spin and everything like that. You just want to make sure there's nothing that is preventing that from spinning properly. So can even be that like a button or something like that came off of a piece of clothing, got sucked into it, and is kind of jammed in your drain pump and is not letting it spin properly. So make sure there's nothing physically stopping your drain pump from spinning. Anyways, hopefully one of these two things will get your problem sorted out. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.